Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Kicks oil easy method. Begin by warming the engine for a few minutes, then park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Jack the car and secure it with stands, gather 0W20 oil, a new filter, a wrench, and a drain pan, and wear gloves and eye protection before loosening the drain plug. Warm the engine briefly, then position the drain pan under the plug and remove the plug carefully to avoid splashes. Allow all oil to drain until the flow thins to a slow drip, which usually takes several minutes. Inspect the old oil for unusual particles, then clean the drain area and reinstall the drain plug with a new gasket or crush washer, torquing to the recommended specification. Unscrew the oil filter and let any trapped oil drain into the pan, then lubricate the new filter gasket with fresh oil and hand tighten it until snug. Refill the engine with the specified amount of 0W20 oil, then start the engine for a minute to circulate oil and check for leaks. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then verify the level with the dipstick and add if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.